Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to use Circubes to build real electronic circuits without using a single wire or any soldering. Circubes comes with 12 colorful cubes, and each one represents a different electronic component. The colors help you quickly recognize what each cube does. The red cubes are resistors. Green cubes are outputs, like LEDs or motors. Blue cubes are inputs, like buttons. Black is for power, like battery. Purple cubes are smart components, like transistors or melody chips. Let's start by understanding how a single cube works. Here is a resistor cube. This one uses a 1 kilo ohm fixed resistor, meaning the resistance value always stays the same. If you look at the sides, you'll see some are marked with a plus and others with a minus. These markings are really important. Inside the cube, all the plus sides are connected to each other, and all the negative sides are connected to each other as well. But between the plus and minus, there is resistors in the middle. That means electricity flows through a resistors from plus to minus. This also means you can use a cube as a conductor. If you connect two cubes using the same symbol, like plus to plus, the signals passes through, just like it would with a wire. Let's build a simple circuit to light up an LED using just 4 cubes: a battery, a resistor, a button, and an LED. Before we build it with cubes, let me show you how it works with wires. You connect the negative side of the battery to the negative side of the LED, and the positive side of the battery to the positive side of the LED. That completes the circuits and the LED lights up. Now let's do it with Circubes way. I'll connect the battery to the resistors, then the button, and finally to LED. Here is the cool part: no wires. You just match the correct sides. You connect it to the positive side of the battery, to the positive side of the resistors, and the other positive side of the resistors to the positive sides of the LED. And the negative side of the power to the negative side of the button, and the negative side of the button to the negative side of the LED. Therefore, you complete the circuits. And that is how Circubes works. You can build real circuits by snapping cubes together, using polarity and the contact points to control how electricity flows. No mess, no tools, and lots of learning fun.